trash bag fashion for the rain. How lovely is it? Look at this, look at this.
There are people walking on foot to the nearest city of Gerlach, and there are camps, a lot of European camps that fly in and do Burning Man, have left everything, their trash, their tents, their infrastructure. So this is a disaster like never been seen at Burning Man.
Everyone seems to be in fairly good spirits. I'm sure that there's other stories besides mine that are not so great, but I think in general, the sense is that people help each other out.
This is the best burn ever. Seriously, like this has given us the opportunity to rise to radical self-reliance and to support each other in the community, and I'm having the best time.